Students, look here the question number 11. In the question number 11, a pipe of the diameter 4 millimeter discharges the water at the rate of 2.05 millimeter per second into an empty cylinder tank of the diameter 7.6 centimeter and the length is 2.3 meter. Find the time required to fill the tank, giving your answer into the correct nearest minute. Okay, now let's move to its solution. It's question number 11, exercise 14C, it's D1. Okay, here he said we have a pipe like this whose diameter is given, whose length is also given, and it's throwing some sort of liquid, the water, into the tank over here, whose height is also given and the diameter D is given to us. Okay, so it is for the pipe, so we will write it here dp. It is for the cylinder diameter, we will use it dc. Okay, its height is hp and it is the height of the hc for cylinder, p for pipe. Got it? He said its diameter is 64 mm, while he said discharge rate is 2.05 mm per second. It means the length of this pipe is 2.05 mm. Okay, after that he said the tanker, the cylindrical tanker whose diameter is 7.6 centimeter and height is 2.3 meters. Okay, he is just asking for the time required to fill the cylindrical tank. Let's move toward its solution. Okay, first of all we have to find the volume of this pipe. Okay, here the base radius of pipe is obviously equal to the diameter by 2, d by 2, so it becomes 64 mm over 2. It becomes 32 mm. So it is the radius of pipe, so I will write the radius for rp for pipe. Now the discharge rate was the 2.05 millimeter. It means length of pipe h is 2.05 mm and the volume of the pipe is given by pi r square h, so it will become pi as it is, r is 32 mm square and h comes here, which is 2.05 mm. Got it? So we will got the volume of the pipe. Actually it becomes 299.2 pi millimeter cubic. Okay, now we have to move toward the cylinder, the volume of cylinder. What is this? The first step is volume of pipe. Now we have to find the volume of cylinder. VCIL cylinder, and here VPIP pipe. Okay, so now easily we can calculate it, but the things we have to keep it in for the cylinder, that its diameter, the D for diameter, C for cylinder, it was 7.6 centimeter. Then the radius will be obviously D by 2. It will become 7.6 centimeter divided by 2. So radius will become 3.8 centimeter. But the thing is this, as it was into the millimeter, so we have to convert this thing also into the millimeters. Got it? For that we have to convert it into the millimeter. How do we do this? Just multiply by the 10. We got it into the millimeters. It becomes 38 mm. This is the radius of cylinder. Okay, and when we talk about its height, it was given to us into the meters. Here we have to convert it into the mm, millimeters. Okay, so for that we have to multiply by the 1000. It becomes 2300 mm. It is the height. Okay, so we have to find the volume of cylinder. It will be given by pi r square h. Pi comes as it is. R square is 38 mm square, and height is 2300 mm. This is it. So when we will calculate with the help of calculator, we got the volume of the cylinder. So it will become volume of the cylinder, it will become 33,212,00 pi mm cube. Now we found both of the cylinders and the pipes volume. Actually they just demanding for the time required to fill that. So it will be given by the volume of cylinder divided by volume of the pipe. Got it? So it becomes 33,212,00 pi mm cube over 158. Actually wait, it was 2.0992 pi mm cube. This will be cancelled by this. Just when we will divide it, it becomes 158.2.007315 seconds. So this is the time required to fill the cylinder, but he is just demanding the answer should be in the minutes. Okay, for that what we have to do, simply we will just divide it by 60. We got it, so it will become 25 point something. So the 26 minutes is the nearest approximately. So this is the time which is required to fill the tank, while the diameter of the pipe is this, length is this, then this cylindrical tanker will be filled in the 26 minutes. Got it? I hope so.